This is how I clean my QD-OLED 3rd Gen MSI MAG271QPX QD-OLED E2. E2 is the European model. Non-E2 is the American model. The only difference being 240 Hz versus 360 Hz. That's the only difference, right? All right, so this is the monitor, QD-OLED. If you look, I put a little spec here. It hurts my soul to do this, but it's a fat spec using this German oil. Here's my microfiber. It's soft on this side, and there's another side. It's a little more like glass fiber for glasses, right? It doesn't matter which side. I prefer the black one. This is ethanol, 70% ethanol. This is the one I bought on Amazon. For the microfiber, this is the one I bought. I will put both in the links. It's a little bright, sorry about that. I had to configure the camera so it doesn't flicker. Again, this is the monitor, ethanol. It has a drop feature, so you don't spill the entire thing. You put it above here with a finger, tilt, get a few drops. There's your spot, it's wet. And then you find the spot and you put it above and do a few circular patterns like this. It's not gonna look good because it's wet, but for now you wanna get rid of the fat contents. You wanna get them off the spot, off the center. And then you check. Looks a lot better, doesn't it? There's a few stains left from the wiping. Here, focus. You can see it when I put the light like this. All right, so you take the soft side that's dry, in a corner that's dry, and you do more circular patterns like this. And no pressure, just soft. Remember, it's QD-OLED, sensitive coating. Make sure you don't leave a spot. If you feel resistance, it's probably wet. So dry it using the cloth. Maybe use another corner if it's already wet, like this. More patterns, right? Okay, should be clean now. Check it with the light. Yep. Aside from it turning purple because it's a QD-OLED and I'm using excessive amounts of light, there's nothing left. I see something here, like in the middle of the camera. Let's see. Can I get rid of it? Yep. Oh wait, there it is. Okay. I can't even see it with my eye. I'm just seeing it with the camera. Yeah, I literally don't see it with the without the camera. Like I'm looking at the spot, I don't even see it. Oh, there it is. Okay. It's a little janky, the setup. I'm just filming this because of a Reddit thread, so production quality may not be cinematic enough. Alright, it's gone. Where is it? It's right there, somehow. Oh, I see it now. It's an awkward spot without the light. There it is. Cool. All right. This is how you clean QD-OLED 3rd Gen MSI. I don't know about others because coding differs. It's not Samsung that does the coding. Samsung does the panel. The manufacturer does the rest. All right.